Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool smell right here, and basically what these are the car air fresheners. So you see for the one that we got right here is a brand called Febreze, and for the one that I got right here it comes a set of 5 of them, and this is the linen and sky scent. If you guys see my previous video, you guys know that this brand actually had a lot of different scents available, such as Hawaiian Aloha, Unstoppable, and so much more. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which scent you guys prefer. But I've been using these for quite a long time now and it's been working really well. The way how they design allow you guys to stick it in the car air vent, but you can definitely use it in a small room if you guys do want to as well. And the way how you use it is actually very simple. If you see in the back right here, they do provide you guys instruction. So all you guys need to do is pull up the back part and then it starts working immediately. And you guys want just a little bar on top, so that way you can set how strong you guys want. So if you guys want like a stronger scent or weaker scent, you guys can adjust it based on your own preference. And usually for this product, when you guys do purchase it, it gives you guys an option for you guys to scratch it, so that way you can smell the scent of the product before you guys purchase it. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually take it out to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Alright, so once you guys take it out, and we see there's like a storage case for you guys to hold everything inside. But once you guys open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So they do provide you guys 5 of these in this set that we got right here. But there is some available that only has like 1, 2, 3, or even like more than 5. But regardless how many you guys get, all of them work the same way. It's just that some of them has different scent than others. But let's take one of them out to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the front part right here, we do have the liquid or the formula inside. Top part, we do have the option for you guys to adjust like the strength of the scent. So this way it's stronger and this way it's weaker. And when you guys do look from the back, you guys can see the opening when you guys do push it. So right there, and then this will close it. And all you guys need to do is push this part up. And once you guys hear the click, that is how the product starts working. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to stick it into the car air vent. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use the product. But I start setting this up to show you guys how to use it. So all you need to do is push this part in the back up until you guys hear the click. Just like that. And it's all set to start using it. If you guys want the product to start working faster, you do have the option to push the front part here. And that way it'll make the scent much stronger and start working faster as well. So all you need to do now is stick it in the car air vent, or you can just leave it as is like this on a table or something. So if you guys do want to use this in a small room, you definitely can, because it does have a strong scent when you guys do use it. But when you guys do smell it, it definitely smells really good. It has this very strong kind of like linen scent, kind of like when you guys do like a laundry. So if you guys do prefer that kind of scent, you guys can definitely get one of these. Otherwise, like I mentioned, you can definitely invest in the other scent that they do have, like the Hawaiian Aloha and etc. So that is basically how you guys set up the product and how to use it. Let me show you guys a quick clip of the one that I tested in the past, which is the Unstoppable scent. Alright, so right here I have the other one that I've been using. This is like the original version or like the fresh scent one. So all you need to do is just stick it on like this. And you just want just the top part in terms of how strong you guys want it. So this side for less and this side for more. So you see for this one's basically almost done. So that is why I got a new one right here. So that way I can keep the car smelling fresh. But that is basically how you guys use it. Very easy and very simple. Alright, so now that I saw that quick video, you can definitely see that's actually really easy for you guys to set it up and use it. And usually when you guys do use this product, it should last you guys for around like a month or so when you guys do use each one of them. So for this set, since they provide you guys 5 of them, it should last you guys for around like 150 days. So that way you can always keep your car fresh when you guys do use it, especially if you guys have friends or guests coming into your car. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality car air freshener that has a similar design as this one and give you guys the scent that you want. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.